lions and tigers and scares. Oh my! We're here at the Children's Museum with Letty Luna. They've done a lot of changes around here. What's going on?
Yes, the Children's Museum of Houston has transformed into Halloween Grosstopia.
Do you want to show me around?
Absolutely, let's go.
Okay, let's go. Okay, you brought me to the mad scientist area.
Yes, so
There's a mad scientist.
Yes, we have a mad scientist here. So our power science lab basically transformed into this slime lab.
Slime? Are we gonna make slime?
Yes.
How do I make slime?
Pour in some glue, pour in some water, pour in some cornstarch, and mix it together.
Mechanical monster. And you, kids can make these?
Yes, they can make them at the museum. You'll see as you push down the water, we will get a moving monster mouth. Basically what we're trying to do is just make sure that they get inventive and aren't afraid to experiment.
This looks like an old phone booth, but it's not.
It's not a phone booth, but it definitely is a parent's nightmare sometimes.
What is it?
It's a scream machine.
So what are we doing here?
We're making a colloid using a polymer called guar.
That's exactly what it looks like.
There are so many different types of slime. You learn science and patience at the Children's Museum. What color would you like to make?
Red.
Starting to look like Jell-O.
Well, Letty / Dorothy, thanks for taking me around. This is a lot of fun.
Thank you for coming.
Well, thank you. Happy Halloween, everyone.
Happy Halloween.